Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to talk about a few things that are happening in the marketplace, what to expect, give you a little update on the portfolio here, and we're all going to do this in one video. All right. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today the portfolio closed out at $9,029.54 Canadian, up $136.68 on the day, up 1.54%. That is what I'm talking about with this rough couple weeks here, the bumpy road of the market just having a little bit of a sneeze. And so we are back on track here. For the week, we're up $206.48, up 2.34%. For the 1 month, we're up $297.12, up 3.4%. For 3 months, we're up $676.61, up 8.1%. For the 1 year, we're up $1,590.03, up 21.37%. And for the all, we're up $1,857.17, up 25.89%. In the cash account, we have $211.35, which is quite a bit. So our deposit has already gone in. Like every week, we do put in $100, and so that is already in there. In other news, though, that is the update on the portfolio. If you want to see the whole portfolio, here it is. But in other news, Apple has hit another all-time high, which it just keeps going, which is strange because apparently the iPhone 13 sales have slowed down, yet they are still doing quite well for themselves. So it is great to see Apple going in at all-time high. I do not own a large position in these guys, but I do own something. Okay, as you can see here, we have VFV in here and VSP, which are two index ETFs that I like, but I'll definitely have a video talking about in detail on which one I prefer and which S&P 500 index I usually go with. And so that's for another video, but that is on there if you're just wondering. And so what is happening in the marketplace? Well, it looks like today was less of a red day. We had some huge returns come back, definitely in the marketplace, which is great, which might mean that the tax loss harvesting that was going on has ended. And yes, that is something that is in Canada. I did talk to a few people that have capitalized on that strategy. And if you are trying to do that, please go seek not a tax guy, an accountant, because I am not one. I'm definitely not a financial advisor either, but they will definitely assist you on understanding that if you have never thought of doing it, because I know there's a lot of new investors that may have invested in some potential companies and stocks that have caused a loss in their portfolio and are looking to get rid of the position. Please go seek professional advice before doing any kind of move. Obviously, I'm not one, because you might make a bigger mistake than is necessary for this tax loss harvesting. And also what I know, because I've never done this before, and I typically just hold. But from my understanding in Canada, and correct me if I'm wrong, it has to be done before December 1st, which has already passed. And so that is something to consider as well. But because it's December, we did purchase a stock in Loblaws. We are sitting at a percentage of the account holding 10.01%. I think I'm going to buy one more just to up that, because as we increase other positions, that percentage goes down because we are balancing out the portfolio. So we'll probably buy one more this Friday and then continue to buy some more in another position to get it up to that 10%. Hopefully we can get that by the end of the year. So just to give you an update on that, the thing I actually want to talk about is December is a great month usually for the marketplace. There's something that is actually called the Santa Rally. And yes, it is a real thing. And yes, you have to believe in Santa for this to be happening for you. Just kidding. But the Santa Rally is describing a scenario that typically happens in December, which happens in the last week of December, the last 5 trading days and first 2 trading days in January, where your stock prices tend to go up because there is some holiday spirit in investors. It just so happens that it works that way. But there's always a but. The but is in the day and age that we're in right now, with everything going on, a lot of investors don't think it's going to happen. There's still a lot of fear that is happening in the marketplace, and that typically does drive where the market goes, whether it goes up or down. And with this new thing happening, there is still fear in the marketplace. However, for those that are holding strong and understand investing and have been investing for maybe a lot of years and has experience going through these kinds of market corrections or market downturns or market sell-offs, they typically hold and they buy. And there is evidence of that, because if you go and search maybe some companies of, and I know you can do this nowadays, you can go look up insiders who are purchasing a lot of these shares in their own company because they are expecting a lot of good things to happen with the Santa rally. And it means that maybe you should invest in it. Now, again, this is not financial advice. Do your research. And of course, this is a good time to get into certain positions that maybe you have thought of getting into, but it just wasn't at a fair value price in your opinion. And so hold it, go and make those purchases if you want, not financial advice, and hold it out through December into the new year and see how it does. But typically you will see a rise in stock price. You will see a rally, which is fantastic. And because of the holiday season, it is called the Santa rally. So it is a real thing. So take that and do what you want with, make it a consideration. And of course, do your due diligence. That's pretty much all I wanted to talk about, but we have a few other things going on here. We did get a few referral links or referrals from the referral link down below. And if you haven't used it, the promo for the quadruple stocks, I do believe ended yesterday. And so if you didn't use it, unfortunately, I do believe it's back down to one free stock, and you don't get the actual stock, you get the value of the stock, which you transfer into your personal account and then transfer your tax-free savings account if that is what you want to do. And so we'll go ahead and head in there. And Matthew is the first one there. So total earned before we claim that free stock, total amount earned so far is $508.54. I just want to give a big thank you and a huge gratitude to those that did use the referral link. I do appreciate it. I just want to say a big great thank you for your support and continued growth with the channel. It really does mean a lot. And so we'll go ahead and claim Matthew's stock. So Matthew, thank you so much for using that referral link. And I hope you got some good rewards from there, and we'll go ahead and open it. And we got 4, totaling amount of $26.35. Now that is the second biggest one. The first one was about $36, but we have 3 GEVO Inc. Never heard of it. GEVO Inc. and Gerdu S.A. Don't know what that is, but we'll go ahead and deposit that. As you can see, we deposit it into the personal account because it doesn't give you the option of tax-free. Maybe later, and we'll go ahead and claim that one more stock. Ty, thank you so much again for watching the channel and supporting and using that referral link down below. We'll go ahead and claim that stock. Is it 1? Is it 4? I don't know. It's for Nikola Corporation. Is that Nikola? 1267. We got Okugon 809, SiriXM Radio, which is great, 801, and Clover Health, which we have gone in the past at 577, equaling $34.54. Again, thank you so much, Ty, for using that referral link, and I hope you got some awesome shares as well. Go ahead and deposit that into the personal account, of course. And all I can say is Merry Christmas, because that is an awesome gift for those that did use the referral link. So thank you so much. But that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button because it does help the channel grow. As you can see, the channel is growing slowly but surely, and it doesn't go unappreciated. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is completely free, but it's completely optional. So if you have a few seconds, why not? And yeah, other than that, guys, have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.